Hello, how can I assist you today?
Hi there. I'm interested in getting a loan to buy a new car.
Great. We offer auto loans for purchasing vehicles. Could you provide some details about the car you are looking to buy?
Sure, I'm eyeing a sedan, a mid-sized one, maybe a model from the last couple of years.
All right, that sounds good. Do you have an estimate of how much you are looking to borrow?
I'm thinking around $20,000. I plan to make a down payment as well.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about the loan terms. How long are you considering for the repayment period?
I was thinking about 3 to 4 years. What are the interest rates like?
Our rates vary depending on a few factors, but for auto loans, they typically range from 8.75% to 9% APR. We can discuss the specific rate once we have all your details.
All right, that sounds fair. What documents do I need to provide for the application?
You will need to fill out an application form, provide proof of income, such as pay stubs or tax returns, and we will also need information about the car you are purchasing, like its make, model, and VIN number.
Got it. How long does the approval process usually take?
Once we have all the required documents, we typically process the application within a few business days. We will let you know as soon as we have a decision.
Sounds good. Thank you for your help.
Absolutely. Before we conclude, I just want to make sure you understand the terms of the loan, including the monthly payments and total interest over the loan term. It's important to be comfortable with the financial commitment.
Yes, that makes sense. Can you give me an estimate of what my monthly payments might look like for a $20,000 loan over 3 years?
Sure, let me crunch some numbers for you. Based on our current rates, your monthly payments might be around $700 per month. Keep in mind that this is just an estimate and the actual amount could vary slightly.
Okay, that sounds manageable. I will review everything carefully before making a decision.
That's wise. And remember, if you ever encounter any financial difficulties during the repayment period, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We can explore options like payment extensions or restructuring the loan to make it more manageable.
I appreciate that. It's reassuring to know there's support available if needed.
Absolutely, we are here to support you every step of the way. Once you are ready to proceed, just let me know, and we will get started on the application.
Will do. Thanks again for your assistance.
You are welcome. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to contact me anytime. Have a great day.
You too, goodbye.
Hello again. I have reviewed your loan application, and unfortunately, I must inform you that it has not been approved at this time.
Oh, I see. Can you tell me why it was not approved?
Of course. It seems that based on the information provided, your current income-to-debt ratio is higher than what we typically consider for loan approval. This means that your existing financial obligations might make it challenging to manage additional debt.
I understand. Is there anything I can do to improve my chances of getting approved in the future?
Yes, there are a few things you could consider. One option is to work on reducing your existing debts or increasing your income, which would improve your overall financial picture. Additionally, you might want to wait for some time before reapplying for the loan, allowing any negative factors to diminish and giving you a better chance of approval.
That makes sense. I will take your advice and work on improving my financial situation before applying again. Thank you for letting me know.
You are welcome. If you have any questions or need guidance along the way, feel free to reach out. We are here to help you achieve your financial goals.
I appreciate that. Thanks again for your assistance.
No problem at all. Take care, and best of luck with your financial endeavors.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello again. Welcome back. How can I assist you today?
Hi there. I'm back to explore the possibility of getting a loan for a more budget-friendly car this time.
Absolutely, I'm glad you are giving it another shot. Let's discuss your requirements for the new car and see what options we have available.
I'm looking for something more economical this time, perhaps a used car within a lower price range.
That sounds like a practical approach. Do you have a specific budget in mind for the car?
Yes, I'm thinking around $10,000 this time. I want to keep the monthly payments manageable.
Understood. With that budget in mind, we can explore options that align with your financial goals. Have you found any cars you're interested in purchasing?
Not yet, but I'm planning to look into some pre-owned options at local dealerships.
Perfect. Once you have found a car you are interested in, we can proceed with the loan application process. Have you made any changes to your financial situation since our last discussion?
I have been working on reducing some of my existing debts, so hopefully, that will improve my chances of approval this time around.
That's great to hear. Improving your financial standing will certainly strengthen your application. When you are ready to proceed with the loan application, just let me know, and we will get started.
Will do. Thank you for your help and guidance.
Of course. Remember, if you have any questions or need assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to support you through the process.
I appreciate that. Thanks again.
You are welcome. Take care, and best of luck with your car search. Let me know when you are ready to move forward with the loan application.
Sounds good. Goodbye for now.